Hi, I'm Laura Bartow from Studio One Stampers, and it's time for Christmas. Well, almost, don't you think? It's still September, but I have to start Christmas now because there's so much to do and so many wonderful projects to share with you. Well, I wanted to share with you this beautiful Noel Christmas framed art project that I put together. It is a beautiful 8x10 frame. The project comes with the frame if you would like, or without the frame, whatever is better for you. But you can make all of these projects, or the entire project, at home with a kit, or you can make it here. Either way works really well. These make fantastic gifts. Make sure that you get them to people so they can display them during the Christmas season because it's such an easy thing to do. The frame has an easel back, so it sits on a tabletop or on a dresser or on a mantle, anywhere you want it to go. It also can be hung. So however you want to use this project, it is perfect for the Christmas holidays. Let me tell you a little bit about how I was inspired to make this project. Well, in our new catalog, this is our new September to December catalog, and in this catalog, there is this gorgeous suite, and you can see all these fantastic products right here. Well, I had to get my hands on them, and I love the color palette. So let me show you these products up close right here on my table. So I can first show you the dies that I used all the way over here. So this is the Joy to Noel dies, and you can see the die cuts of the lettering and beautiful pieces that cut out into independent pieces, as well as going with the stamp set that this was designed to go with. And then Christmas classics, all these beautiful frame pieces, the details, the foliage. That's what I really, really fell in love with to make this project. And then the color palette. Look at these fabulous papers. This is the Joyful Designer Series paper. I don't know if you can see it, but it's shiny gold. Can you see the shimmer on some of these papers? And then this set of papers are also in that collection. And this is the Joyful paper. So it's just an absolutely gorgeous collection. And that's how I was inspired to put these products together to make this beautiful framed art. So let me know how many of these projects you want to make for your family and friends this year, and I will be glad to make sure that you have everything you need to make this really, really fun project. So I hope to hear from you, and I hope this is just the beginning of your fantastic holiday season.